Real hot girl shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't done these in a while, and since summer's kind of coming to an end, I thought it'd be a good time to do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I'm going to moisturize my face. I actually just got this. It's Purity Moisturizer, if I'm saying it right. I have really dry skin in the summer, so this kind of works good. I got it from Ulta. It's super inexpensive, and it's really light on your skin. Kind of feels like kind of an oil consistency. And the most, probably my most dry spots for some reason are like right here under my eyebrows. I don't know why, like I just noticed it a couple weeks ago that I get like kind of like dry patches right there under my eyebrows. So I definitely want to put the moisturizer right there and put it on my eyes. It's nice. You definitely want to put on moisturizer in the summertime, because personally for me, I don't really put on a lot of makeup in the summertime because I'm just gonna get hot and sweaty. So when you put on moisturizing, your face is really dewy and fresh. It doesn't look like you have a lot of makeup on, even if you like putting on a lot of makeup in the summer. So let's see where we could start. Definitely want to do my brows. This is a brow liner. It's from Kiss New York. You can see that. I usually don't fill in my brows. I only really fill them in when I'm like due for a wax. But I haven't gotten the chance to wax my eyebrows, so I'm definitely going to need to fill them in a little bit. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, I'm looking at my mirror. So, just thought I'd let you know. Alright, so I'm just going to take this, just fill them in a little bit. Let's get into the next brow. I really don't do too much. Kind of definitely always want to get the ends because it gives you like that nice arch to your eyebrow. It makes them look really clean, even if you're like me and you desperately need to get them waxed. Alright, I think that's as good as it's gonna get right now. So what can I do next? So since in today's video I'm actually not going to be using any foundation, I'm going to be using concealer. So I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This is in the shade Almond. I just got it today actually. The thing I like most about this concealer is really light, and once you put it on, it blends really well. I think it's probably the best concealer I've ever used. Alright, so as I was saying before my camera died, I really like this concealer because it's nice and light and it blends really well on the skin. As you'll see in a second. Let me find my beauty blender. I'm using this Fix setting spray to spray my beauty blender. Like, look how great that blends. Like, literally. Usually when you put on concealer, you have to like beat your face to death to like blend it in, and look how just beautiful that just blends in so easily. And I wasn't sure what shade I wanted to get, because usually when you go into Ulta, there are like thousands of people who try to help you and like navigate you into what color you might want to use, and I wasn't up for all that. I just wanted to get in and get out. I really only went there to get moisturizer, but as soon as you go into Ulta, it's the big Kylie face. It's like a big blow up of her face, and I didn't know that they had I didn't know that they had her concealers at Ulta. I thought she just had the highlighters. So I was like, ooh, I am getting this right now, because it's so hard to get her concealers when they're on her website, because they sell out so quick, and I'd rather just wait until like 2 weeks after she puts them on the website. Usually about 2 weeks they're at stores, so I just will wait, because I'm not going through all that extraness to probably pay more than it is on the website. Just think this is like the best concealer ever. And like, you can put this like basically all over your face and it looks like foundation, or you can use it as a foundation and it's like full coverage, covers up anything you might not like if you have some acne. Put that right on there. Bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Alright, I think that's good enough. I like it. So next, gonna do some eyeshadow. Thinking about using these two palettes, Kylie Brown's palette, and then this is the Modern Renaissance palette. Alright, so the first shade I think I'm going to want to use is this color, Burnt Orange. It's kind of like a nice beige shade. Next, I'm going to go in with this kind of brown bronze shade. The name of the shade is Antique Bronze, right here. So in the summertime, when I do put on eyeshadow, I try to do like nice cool tones, or I'll do kind of the opposite and do bright colors. So it kind of depends. Like if I'm wearing like a loud outfit that has a bunch of colors in it or whatever, I'll do like a basic cool tone eye look. But if I'm doing like a basic outfit or like all black or something like that, just like plain basic colors, I'll do a nice pop eyeshadow color. Next, I'm going to go in with the bronze palette, and then I'm going to use this gold shade right here. I think the back of my palette is dirty because this is like 4 years old, so I'm not sure what shade this is. And with this shade, I'm kind of just going to pat it onto my lid. I'm not going to rub it in. Alright, that's kind of cute. Now, whoops. I'm going to take another brush. Whoopsie, not that one. I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to go back in with the Renaissance palette. And I want to use this orange kind of shade. It's in, the name of the shade is Realgar, I believe, if I'm saying that right. And I'm going to take the kind of fluffier side of the brush and kind of just put that on the top of my crease. And Gotta blend that in. Now to probably one of my favorite steps is highlighter. So usually I don't use highlighter because every time I bought highlighters, they never like gave me that glow that other people get. Like you see people on Instagram or whatever, and they'll put on highlighter and they have this beautiful glow, and I just never got that. Obviously I wasn't using the right product. So I got Kylie Jenner's highlighter. This is in the shade Queen Drip, and I tested it out at Ulta. I put it on and it was just like life-changing, like literally. So that's the highlighter I'll be using for the rest of my life. So I'm just gonna use just MAC brush and apply it right here on my cheek. Like, look at that. I have never gotten that. Like, I've bought many highlighters in my life and never have gotten that. Like, that's just insane to me. Like, you're probably like, Ashley, it's not that serious, but it is. It is. Like, it is. Like, look at my nose. Wait. Look at my nose. Look at that. That's like, it might not look like much on camera, but it is. So this is like perfect in the summer. Like, you can just go makeup free and just put on this highlighter and it's just gorgeous. Gives you like such a good look. Makes the makeup look like 10 times better just by doing that. So I like to put the highlighter obviously on my nose. A little bit right here on my cupid spot. And just for the fun of it, put some right here on my brow. I recommend this to anyone. Like, go get this right now. Last step, of course, are the lips. So I'm in need of some lip liners. So right now I'm just gonna use what I have. So I'm gonna take this pink shade, not sure where it's from. Kind of just use this as a liner. And then I like to cover it with some gloss. This is Nana Coco, or from Nana Coco. And just a nice pink clear shade. And then I just like to put that on top. And sometimes I even like to just get a little brush and just use this. So pretty. And just add a little bit more. And it's like the perfect pink summer shade. And last but not least, I'm gonna go over it with some setting spray to set everything in place. Yep, put it over here. Sometimes I even like to go over with the Beauty Blender. And yeah, this is the finished look. I think it's super cute for the summer. It's really light, doesn't look cakey at all. Definitely really cool with the highlighter. And yeah, I really like this look. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.